Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is about how I spent my birthday 2020. Got the most precious gift from my husband sharp at midnight 12. We usually don't prefer cutting cake, so did a small prayer and spoke to the families. It was a bright sunny day. Then the day began with a sweet gulab jamun and my most favorite idli with potato kurma breakfast. We had our usual appointment checkup on that day, so started to the hospital. The tents put up there near the harbor is to treat the corona patients. Kind of here the situation is much better now and slowly the lockdown measures are lifted. Here we reached the hospital. As you can see, still the social distancing has been maintained everywhere. I got my registration waiting number. Even in the waiting area, the social distancing has been very well maintained. And it's me, along with my husband. He was checking with me some details on that day. Then once the checkup has been all perfectly done, then we got back home and took a good nice nap for about 2 hours. Then in the evening around like 6:30 or 7 we started to the temple. This is my office headquarters and it's been such a nostalgic moment for me because around like 4 months we didn't go around the city. We went to the Perumal temple on that day. It is near the Little India area. It was so quiet and not much of the people around. Here, the temples are all open to the people with all the safety measures have been handled. Guys, as you can see, the barcode scanning has to be done everywhere here for the contact tracing. Then the grill has been put on for the well maintained social distancing. I would say we had very restricted access near all the idols for our safety purpose. Also, we are not allowed to sit or come around the temple during this time to maintain the hygiene of the temple, and only certain amount of people are allowed to pray at a time. Got all the God's blessings with the heart being fulfilled. Then we went to have my birthday dinner. Frankly speaking, I didn't expect to dine out this year, but it's been like 4 to 5 months we have dined in anywhere, and now the restaurants are all being safely open to the public. So my husband thought of taking me to the nice birthday dinner. Before that, we have went to the nearby mall to get some items from Decathlon. It's the shop where you can find all your sports and fitness items. I was literally shocked to see the road was so empty because this place usually is full of crowd. It's in front of Mustafa. Here you can see all our North Indian, South Indian, and the Arabic restaurants. We usually on the veggie day we prefer to have it in either in A to B or in Murugan Idli Kadai. Today for something different, I thought of trying it in Kailash Parbat. Somehow for the last 3 to 4 months I was wanting to have jasmine flowers every day, but due to lockdown we couldn't go to Little India to buy it. Then finally my husband got some flowers for my birthday, then went to this Kailash Parbat, had a nice yummy dinner. First started with the appetite of pani puri. It's been a long time that I had, so I was much tempted to have it. Then I saw in menu the veggie momos. This is the first time I'm seeing here it in the Indian restaurant, so thought of giving it a try. It was kind of okay for me because we usually love the dumplings here in Din Tai Fung, the Chinese restaurant. Then ordered the kadai paneer and tandoori roti because we were not in the mood of having the heavy dinner on that day. That's it, guys. The day was spent very well. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, comment and share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel.